What's happening, ADUBers? I know you guys are definitely wondering, like, what the heck is ADUB talking about with his title for this video? Like, what did he get? So I'm gonna show you guys. It's probably not what most of you are expecting, but I did get something cool that's gonna help the video quality go way up. Whatever I got is in this little case. Now, it may not seem like a lot, but I'm telling you, this thing right here is legit. This right here might give you a little hint. We got a little remote control right here, but I can get this unzipped. Let's get this thing unzipped. It's a drone. Look at this thing right here. It's actually collapsed right now. It's folded down. But this is a drone, and look at it right there. That is a camera. So we're actually gonna go ahead and put this thing up, and the sun is setting right over there. So I'm gonna hopefully get this thing up and over those trees and then down, so that way I can see that sunset. But we're gonna go ahead and get that thing up in the air, and we're gonna see what it'll do. I've flown it a couple times, but I haven't really got to use it very much. Been working a lot, been at Christmas things and everything else. So this is one of my first actual long flights. So let's go ahead and get this thing up in the air. So I know this video started off as drone related and like, I don't know, but we're gonna go fishing right now. We're probably gonna take the drone out. I'm gonna give Chaz a call. Gonna see if he wants to go fishing today. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna go. It's kind of hard for me to find spots around here. I like going down south to Georgia, Florida. All you Georgia, Florida people, South Carolina, all of you understand where I'm coming from. North Carolina doesn't have as many ponds where I'm at. So I just try to fish wherever I can. And I do need to take this bad girl out right here, the boat, the old Skeeter FX20. But I don't want to take it out today. It's a little bit late, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can go fish some ponds or river, something like that. But I'm gonna give Chaz a call, and hopefully we'll get some drone footage. So we'll just go ahead, throw all that in with this video. Being that clear. Little one. I'm throwing a fluke and you're throwing the hard jerk bait. I guess I just like the rattles better or something. I don't know. I haven't even got a bite yet. Yeah, it's pretty small. Huh? Got one. That was on the rattle trap. That was my first cast, dude. As soon as we came over here on the dock, we caught 3. Got that one on the Strike King 2-tap in the red color. That's a awesome winter color. Rattle trap, great winter bait right there. Look at that, not too bad. 1 for me, 2 for Chaz.
Not very healthy right
now. No, they're looking like they're starving. I guess it's from the cold winter. I'm not really sure. But that is our first fish. Success. No skunk today, boys. No skunk today. Maybe. Look at that. Is it another little one? Oh my goodness. No, that's a bass.
I thought it was
That was a crappie. That would be a negative. That's a bass, buddy.
It looked like a crappie on the side, honestly. But I don't.
That jerkbait's catching them pretty good. You got him. Chaz is the dink master today. At least the one that I caught wasn't that small. Goodness gracious. See that bait down there? It's like flickering. Out here in the middle. I like this corner a lot better. What? You got another one? Alright, I'm about to throw up the drone. Oh, I got one. It's better. Actually, not that better. Much better. This water is so clear. Come here, little fishy. Okay, so I'm catching a little bit bigger fish than Chaz is, but Chaz is definitely catching way more. Because he's throwing that little worm. I'm throwing this rattle trap. It's a little bit bigger, so I think that's probably why I'm catching the bigger ones. Goodness gracious, what am I saying? Oh, he's about to get another bite probably. Yep, there's another one he just had. Alright, there's my little fishy right there. I'm gonna throw him back in.
Y'all ready for this, boys and girls?
Chaz thinks he's gonna catch one backwards. Yep, he's got one. He just caught a fish. Oh, it came off.
In the back.
Okay, hold on. I think I'm gonna go get the drone. You want me to put the drone up?
Oh, man.
I can put it up right here and have it like facing towards you, and you can get the whole hook set and everything.
Go for it.
All right, we're about to throw the drone up, boys and girls. We're gonna get Chaz on the drone footage. All right, guys, this is my new drone I got right here. This is the DJI Mavic Pro. This thing is pretty sweet. I've been using it a little bit, not for fishing yet, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing unfolded, and we're going to get this thing up in the air. Hopefully we're gonna film Chaz catching a fish, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing up. It's a little bit windy today, so hopefully I don't wreck it. That's what we're going for, because it's pretty expensive, so we'll have to see. See, so now it's facing us.
That's pretty dope.
Chaz is catching more than me, but I'm going for a big one. I'm going for a big one. Apparently there's 8-pounders in here. Oh, I got one. Wow! Okay. Goodness gracious. Stop it, buddy. Still another small one. It's 3 for me today. Little one. Chad's got one over there, so that's technically a double up. Go ahead, throw him back in there. This is a great color for winter.
I'm just letting you know. I tried my hardest. I was messing with this thing.
Messing with what?
I was trying to get the right angle.
Oh. Ow.
Okay. I can get used to it.
So, Chaz is actually running the drone right now. I'm letting him run the drone. It's up there. That's like a very, like, I don't know. I'm a good friend for letting him drive that because that thing is very expensive. But we caught this little guy on Chaz's rod on the jerkbait. I think I know the secret, and I think that the secret is fishing it slower. Chaz was fishing it way too fast. Got one. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. I think that might be the biggest one of the day. Oh, longest one of the day. So skinny though, not very healthy. There's another one right there, the red rattle trap. Look at that. I just threw my freaking line off. Oh my goodness. That's eventful. Well, Chaz just caught a fish. And Adam just threw all his line out. Because I have 0 line on this reel. Everybody in the comment section is going to say, where is your line? You need more line. I know. It was full, but it had a backlash, so I had to cut it out. Yeah, he's dark. He's probably been in the grass, I guess. He got some really good mass on him. I got one. Another baby. Okay, there we go. I was scared that one was gonna hook me. Got another little dinker. Bye bye. I could feel it in my line.
Yeah, they'll smack it.
It was like, whoa. I was like, oh crap. You got one? Oh, yes sir. Another 6-incher.
I was texting and one grabbed it.
What a giant. Probably caught at least 20, but they're just not big at all. Like, at all. That one looks a little bit more healthy than the other one.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
A little bit.
Not by too much. We've caught them on a jerkbait, a rattle trap, and a drop shot. That's what we've caught them on. Nothing big, all small ones. And Chaz got another one.
This one feels a tiny bit heavier.
A tiny bit heavier.
Because he is. He's a little bit.
Barely. That was a flip, not a dive.
It was a flip, but yeah, but they do dive.
Got him. Whoa! Whoa! This is like so much fun, but they're just so small. I mean, when they first hit it, they feel like they might be a pound, maybe a pound and a half, but you reel them in and they're like 12 ounces. But it's another fish. Got one? You didn't even think you had one.
I think I had one. Smallest one of the day, for sure.
That one's weird. He's got like spots. How many is that? 557? Whoa, Nelly. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. There's another one right there. I'm so scared I'm gonna get hooked because they're hooked in like 15,000 different places. Ugh. Another one, little one.